think that for us, the second biggest opportunity for us is Central America. Now, we sell most of our products in the U.S. and Central America, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, basically anything south of Mexico is considered Central America. The cost of labor is inexpensive, but the quality of products are actually really nice. We sell a lot of products that are made of leather, wood, ceramics, textiles, and we do some really, really nice coffee. And what we've noticed is our products can be sold at a higher price point than maybe an Asian produced product because we attach a story to it. So we tell the story of, empowering these women weavers and these men that run these, leather tanneries and production shops. Also, it's local. It's local for, most people in North America. I can get on a plane and be in Guatemala City in about 4.5 hours with one layover, which is a lot easier to run down there and meet with my artisans and producers and our local team than it would be Asia. They are a little bit limited on what products can be produced. There's no technology products. There's not a lot of like plastics and metals. It's mostly artisanal products. And they constitute a large, more than half of, our entire product catalog. And they're high margin items. They sell really well and they have a great story. The other place that I see upcoming as a really great sourcing opportunity is India. One reason for that is India does have the ability to do heavily machined and processed items like plastics and metals. They also have the ability to get into technology, produce some of those tech products, and India is growing fast. The middle class in India is the fastest growing, population demographic in the world. Now, what that means is Indian producers are trying to keep up with their own internal country's demand. Okay, billions of people, right? So if they're producing all these products for their own population, they don't even have time necessarily to be thinking about exporting. And they don't have time to think about, well, how can I sell this product on Amazon US? So we're working right now heavily with some producers in India that all we're doing is buying things that are already in production that nobody in the US even knows exists. Also, as the middle class increases and buying and production increases in that whole region of the world, more manufacturers are coming online, and these manufacturers are looking for jobs and they're looking for products to produce. So for instance, we have products that are made of leather in India right now, and it's because we found all of these up and coming leather producers that needed more work. So we sent them samples of products that maybe we were having made in China and now we're having them made in India, and we don't have to worry about the politics, between the US and China. We can get it from India right now. And also a lot of times the pricing is a little bit better because the demand isn't as high. Everybody knows to go to China, but not a lot of people are going to India right now. So for us, the two things outside of China are Central America and India.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.